p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:34 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a tornado-producing storm was located over or 10 miles southwest of Weoguska, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Hanover, Lisle, Mitchell Lake, Dollar, Bradford, Goodwater, Weoguska, Strickland Crossroads, Bentleyville, Unity, Parkdale, Moriah, Rockford, Kellyton, Hatchet, Cruzville, Stewartville, Higgins Ferry Park, and Mitchell Dam. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Coosa, Alabama,